Hey guys, what's up? Thought I'd make a quick video about how to fix this if you've ever been in this dilemma where you've got a RX8 that has the electric driver's seat and someone's disconnected the ECU and the battery and all that good stuff, all the wiring's out, and you need to move the seat all the way forward so that you can get at the bolts at the back to remove the driver's seat. So here's a quick how to do it. Take the paneling off the side of your seat. It just snaps off. It's not too hard to get it out. Unplug this plug. It just goes in here. So pull it out. And you're going to want to strip, I'll just zoom in for you here. You're going to want to strip the green with red stripe and the white with green stripe. Some people call those tracers, so green with red tracer, white with green tracer. And in order to make the seat go forward towards the front of the vehicle, you're going to want to put 12 volt positive on white with green stripe. And then you're going to want to put negative or ground on your green with red stripe. I'll just grab a thing here, I'll show you what I mean. I'll just back out so you can see that this works. So yeah, real simple. And if you want to go the other way, just pull that off, chuck ground on the white with green, and then put positive on your green with red, and then it'll go back. I found like a lot of people posting on forums asking about this, and like no one has answered the question. So here you go. If you need to take this seat and move it around, you want to play around with the green with red stripe and the white with green stripe. And yeah, either way, either polarity is fine. Just make sure you're using only 12 volt. You can use a battery, or I've just got like a little power supply down here I use for everything. But yeah, you'll find that'll get you out of trouble. Well, hopefully this video helps you. Wish I'd been able to see it before I started hacking into wires. And yeah, once you're done, just make sure that you cover this all back up and rewrap it again with electrical tape, and you'll be sweet.